Hello, heads up. Hidden puzzle pieces within these coins, assemble for a surprise shield. 2008, UK coins got a royal jigsaw twist. Each coin, 1p to 50p, showcases a piece of the royal shield designed by Matthew Dent. Collect them all and watch the majestic emblem come together. 1 penny, royal shield's left flank, value on left. 2 pence, top right corner of royal shield. 5 pence, central section of the royal shield showing elements of all 4 quadrants. 10 pence, royal shield's upper left section, value above. 20 pence, royal shield's bottom right section, value to right. 50 pence, lower section of the royal shield, value to lower segment. 50 pence coins for 2009, 2010, 2011, 2016, 2018, and 2021 were only issued in BU quality. While the 50p Royal Shield was issued in 2017 and 2022, the mintage figures for this coin are low, making it a rare UK 50p coin in circulation. £1 Royal Shield of Arms divides denomination. Piece by gleaming piece, the Royal Shield emerges. Collect all the UK coins, from the humble penny to the mighty 50p, and watch the emblem of the nation take shape. From pennies to pounds, the Royal Shield unfolds. Piece together all UK coins, 1p to 50p, like a gleaming jigsaw, and witness the majestic emblem unveiled, just as on the £1 coin, 2008 to 2015.